Gathered here 5 more next level knives. Let's see what we got. This time all big ones. A lot of people asking me for fixed blade knives. Well, there you go. This is a $2,000 knife. Explicit mirror polish Microtech. Number 16 serial number. This thing is one of a kind. So this is morphine. Comes with a blade sheath. Comes with one of this microfiber towel with the morphine logo on it. And the plug is made out of metal. This is when it was made. 11/2021, number 16. M390 mirror polish split. Beautiful. This thing looks so epic. Check this out. This looks like a 2-finger guard or a knuckle, and there is your fully polished blade. Looks like a feather. I like it a lot, so you don't have to worry about dropping it whenever you not holding it. So kind of nice having 2 rings over here, 2-finger guards. Or you can stick it this way. Boom. You have right here finger guards, knuckle, and there's your little tooth, like a claw. That's beautiful. Don't you guys love the mirror polish knives? That's definitely next level high-end knives over there. It's custom made, not in this just mass production. It's actually made by hand, all of it, and assembled. Look at the screws and such a beautiful design. Love that. Really thick. The signature. Yeah, that's a piece of art right here. This is why people like knives. You know, there's a beginner knives, cheaper knives, and then they go up for many thousands. So that's a beautiful knife. Let's check out a different knife. This right here, Ontario knife. These things are beautiful. This is collaboration with the Borka blade, and cool. What I want to see is the sheath right here. Ontario knife, beautiful, made out of some kind of composite. So this is a nice knife sheath. A little bit used, but I bought it from Knife Center. Sometimes they sell used knives, and this is $800 knife, but guess what? People pay up to $1,500 for this easily because it has this Bill logo on it. Borka Blades is a really nice a knife maker. M9 Ontario Knife Company USA. So that's for your AK, right? From what I understand. That's thick. There's kind of like a serrated edge to it. Pretty cool. And there's a really nice sharp blade. This is like one of the best ones you can get. M9s. What do you guys think? I'm not going to be putting it on my AK, just wanted to show it to you how beautiful that is. Let's put it in a sheath. You know, I don't even want to do that because I don't want to scratch it up, because collectible value is so high on it. So I'll keep it this way, keep it new. I'm honestly was so surprised to see it on a Knife Center. I guess they sometimes sell use a little bit knives too, very classic knives that they discontinued, because this is really hard to find, so that's a good find. Oh yeah, also I have a real quick Microtech silver coin. If you ever come across any kind of knife maker coins like this that is silver, spot is $22 right now, 21 silver escutcheon. This one sell for $100. Doesn't matter the spot, unless the spot gonna go to $100, it's probably still going to be silver spot value, because it's 39 silver. But yeah, it's pretty beautiful. As you can see, it's 25 years knife innovations, 2019. So super cool Microtech silver coin logo. Highly collectible. So if you come across one and somebody's selling it for silver spot or a couple dollars over spot, buy it, because That would be a really good deal. Next, I got right here discontinued Benchmade. Have you ever seen a box of a Benchmade that big? Especially out talking to our knife people. This is said here jungle clip point. Originally it was sell for $100. I seen a year ago they will sell $180 recently. So these things are going up in value after they've been discontinued. So this is Machete by Benchmade. Look at that sheath, leather, high quality. And what steel is it made from? I guess this steel is 1095, and it says outdoor survival tactical fixed blade. Quite nice. I feel like I could use it for cooking anyways, and at the same time machete for building the shelter. So this is one of a kind Benchmade right here for sure. That I only paid like $100 for it. Resale value now over $200 easily, because it just discontinued. And some people collect Benchmades. Everybody likes their own thing, so that's one of a kind. I still have that one. Might let it go. Super cool, don't you guys think? And right here, two more Gerber double down. This one a really unique machetes. They kind of a fixed blade. Let's see what I'm talking about. They actually got few more different colors, so I figured I'll show it to you guys. So there you go. Comes with a really cool pouch. It comes in black, and you press on this and lift it up, and by removing this you gotta press these two buttons and these two buttons. Then it will lock up again on the safety. Then it will go all the way through. And then you got right here a really cool first of all knife, or could be a machete if you hold it in the back. The only problem with that I do have, you kind of have to push on it to lock it. It's not the easiest thing to lock it. There you go, you see? And same thing to unlock it. It is really hard. Kind of not the safest thing. You gotta push it really hard and open it, and then again it's locked. I love that safety. You gotta press this two button and this two button, then it will open, and then you have second lock here, so that way you don't injure yourself. Super smart. You reposition and close it all the way, and lock it right here. That's easy. It's actually not too bad, now that I know how to open it and close it. So this is black and like a silver. Okay, and this one, let's see the colors on that one. This is black on black, super unique. So you press this, open it, then again you got press on this too, unlock it this way. This one seems to be much easier. Wow, you see what I'm saying? You never know what you're going to get. This one is so easy to open and unlock. That's what happens with the Gerber and mass-produced knives. Some of them are really easy to unlock and lock, and some of them are really hard. I really love but the black on black. Super unique one right here for sure. And look at that. You just press on that and it's like easy to open. Locks it really good. Then press this too and then flip it over. Locks it again, so it's safe. Then you just boom, lock it, and super simple right here. Wow, it's just so strange how some of them so easy and some of them are really hard. And the last one, this is US military machete knife. They go fixed blade knife in a sense. You can use it this way, or you can pull on that and lock it in, and you have right here a vintage machete. Pretty interesting, right? There's a brand for it, Camillus. This side here about $300–400, depends of the quality. This one probably closer to 200. And then to lock it, you just fold it and break through. You see how you have to push this like a frame lock, and you want to be pretty careful. Boom, there you go. Regular small knife, and you have right here the holder. Everything original. Boom. That is a nice one. Very interesting and unique.